Something you should know about me, I'm a control freak. It's just who I am. When I see something I don't like, goodbye. But now that we have the Neato D3, whenever I need something gone, it helps me take care of it. Neato knows, in this house, it's all about what I want. Is that irrational? I don't care. As for Neato, I've decided it can stay. Besides, they can't return it now, because I just ruined this box.
Willis! Open up, buddy, I want to see the new puppy.
Hey, Bruce.
Hey, Willis, congrats, man. My mom says you got a new sister.
Thanks. I'm having the time of my life.
Alright, enough with the suspense. Where's the little cutie?
You're so impatient. Let me show you a little trick I just learned. Roll. You know, it's not all about her.
Is your mommy here somewhere up here? Puppy, come here, puppy. Oops, party foul. Mommy's mad. I'll go hide.
Relax. Turn around. Here she comes.
Who is that?
This is Bobby, my new baby sister.
That's your new puppy?
Isn't she amazing?
I don't know how to tell you this, buddy, but I'm pretty sure she's an alien.
Look how shiny her coat is.
Okay, kinda see the family resemblance.
Really?
Yeah, you both like to eat dirt.
Haha, very funny. Come on, she won't bother us. Toys aren't very good for her digestion.
Oh, I can relate. Remember that time I swallowed a squeaky doll?
How could I forget? You had the funny sneezes. Good bod, Bobby.
See you next time. Bye, Bobby. Hey, Mom, can I get a new baby sister?